Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about the application of Luzia app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.